What's up, YouTubers? Hey, I bought this Insta360 One X2 for my Z06 and I love it. It's fantastic. But I'm gonna show you how to keep this thing from falling down, which everybody on the reviews is talking about, but nobody who's selling these on YouTube is talking to you about. We're gonna fix that today. The first thing you wanna do is get yourself a second one of these suction cups so that you can place it around here on your window. And the second thing that you want to get is a nice little super clamp, which will screw right onto the top of this, and you'll put the clamp right on the selfie stick, and that's going to hold it up. We'll put in the comments section down below what the links are to find these over on Amazon. By attaching the first suction cup a little bit higher on the window than you typically would place it, and also by putting this arm a little bit farther down here, you'll get a nicer angle for it to fit right into the clamp. And the second one then you just put as close to the bottom of the window as you can get it. And this just screws in on a 1/4 inch thread. And then the clamp, you just tighten down onto the handle, tighten all these down. Now that we have our second suction cup and our clamp connected, you can see that there's tremendous more stability in this than just with a single suction cup. Let's go out and give it a try.